Hey, what's up guys? It's Trainboy55, and today, here are my 8 custom-made Trackmaster Thomas trains, and now they're all back together. So let's get started then. Here's my updated Henrietta. I painted orange, and paint the buffer's beam, and I updated her face. It looks even better. I paint the roofs before, and I cut the bars, the front before, and now Henrietta looks better like in the CGI series. If I can get another Play-Rail, if I can get a Play-Rail Toby, I'm gonna turn Henrietta into Hannah. Next up is Skiff from, it was a livery from Soder's Legend of the Lost Treasure. With Sailor John, I detailed Sailor John's his boots with black Sharpie markers, and I painted his hands. And I painted Skiff on the back, or like right here. Sailor John looks better, and so is Skiff. Next is a Play-Rail Shocked Percy, or you can call Surprise Face Percy, or whatever you want to call. I detailed his mouth, and I paint in the chassis. And, yep, he still runs. Percy looks even better. Next is my Trackmaster Peter Sam. I gave him a nameplate and a number out of Microsoft Paint program because the sticker, both sides are peeling off easily. And now Peter Sam looks much better. Yep, he still runs. Next one is Railway Series E2 Thomas. This is the chassis from Holiday Thomas, which is right there. Here's the face from Steam Along Thomas. 2 of them are broken, but I had to get a new one. I painted all NWR blue with red lines, and I paint the number, and I printed his number 1, and I painted his whistle, and the windows. And here's the handbars on both sides of a smoke box. And here's the pen red linings in the front of the tanks. Thomas looks awesome. And he still works. And I just covered up the putty, the bottom, and the coal bunker in the back. Next is Belle. I detailed Belle with her wheels, her cylinder, her water gush, her lamp, and the windows, and the lamps in the back, red and green. Belle looks even better. And he still runs. Yep, his wheels are a little wobbled, but I'm okay with it. Next is 2009 Trackmaster Percy that Jacob gave me. I put a lamp on it from this Percy model because I'm gonna give this Percy model to his lamp, and now he looks much better, just like I had before. Yep, he still runs. Next is the Bluebell engine Stepney. I detailed a little bit of green and red. Used the handrails for the silver Sharpie markers and the front coupling and the buffers. And I detailed his mouth. And I also painted his whistle right there. You can see it where I'm pointing. Right there. And yep, he still runs pretty well. Oh, and I also paint the chassis. And that's all for my 8 custom-made Trackmaster Thomas trains. Thank you guys so much for watching.